My old knife set with the cheap plastic handles, they kept breaking, so I'm so happy I was gifted this new knife set by KnifeSaga. It came with a knife block, a nice welcome card, and of course, the knives. The knife block looks really impressive and even comes with a sharpener, and the knives and the shears were wrapped nicely. I love how this knife set looks, and that black matches my appliances perfectly. I'm really impressed with these knives. I mean, these are super, super sharp, which I'll show you in a minute, but I love that it's 100% stainless steel, and all of it is stainless steel. With my previous knives, only the blade was stainless steel, and the handle was plastic, and whenever I cut into something really, really strong or tough, the plastic would break off. And that's not going to happen with these because this is one piece of all stainless steel. And the food shears are really, really nice because they have this really soft silicone material. And I really love the weight in their handles because it's weighed down. It's really going to help with the precision of your cutting. Look at the beauty of this thing. This will really accent your kitchen, and it also makes as a great gift. I was also really impressed by the sharpness of these knives. I hardly had to use any effort to get through this thick-skinned tomato. It felt like I was chopping up soft butter. I highly recommend this knife set for your kitchen and cutting needs.